This is a sewer repair at 152. We're digging up this landing and a couple stairs here. Also be digging up 3 squares of the concrete to expose this piece so that we can pipe burst from here to the beginning, and then we'll put in a clean out here and make a pipe repair. Manu.
Going to the start here. Wait for the camera, Manu! Down to shaking.
Pipe bursting about 60 feet of sewer pipe. They're fused together. You can see a link coming right there where 2 pieces of pipe have been melded together. And we'll take this whole length and it's busting the pipe from the inside out. You can see this is the original pipe, the concrete pipe, and there's a wedge in the end that we didn't show, and it's just busting through this pipe and it's pulling this pipe in at the same time. And that's a pipe bursting.